Okay. Here. And we be parked all up and down this little area. All over here the buses be. No buses be on the right side, only on one side, because we have to drop all people off on the side of the street that the event is on most of the time. And that is the aquarium. That's what they call it, the aquarium. I don't remember it looking like that though. They designed and redesigned it. So we come back all the way back here on our buses sometimes, especially if there's no place to park. And look at that little bridge right there. Sometimes we wind up having to cross that bridge for one reason or another. Okay. And back over there is a way to Catalina Islands, and that's the ports over there. And there's other bridges that take you into San Pedro. And then you have the water, you have the ocean. Then you have the Queen Mary over there. It's the Queen Mary. And you could cross over there and get over there to the Queen Mary too. I always take my grandson over to the Queen Mary. He always go, Granny, can we go see the Queen Mary? Let's go see the Queen Mary. So he really loved the Queen Mary. So this is Long Beach. The sun is getting ready to go down. It's 7 o'clock. I'm taking a little ride because I went out and went over to my daughter's house today and visit with her for like 30 minutes. You know, sometimes I can take people in dosages of 30 minutes at a time. I can go over there right at 30 minutes at a time. She got to go pick up her kids. Yes. So then we line up and then we pick our kids up. And then we take them on back to school. And this is Bubba Gumps right here. A lot of times we might go over here and eat when we do a trip over here. This is the perfect time to take the kids out. Sometimes we take them out and let them ride their little bikes and little toys all around up in here when there's not that many people, like on a Sunday when it's, you know, a lot of people don't be here sometimes. You know, sometimes, you know, you get it up early enough, you can beat the crowd, and you can let the kids do what they want to do, and you can, you know, take them back home, let them ride around. So this is Long Beach, and this is called the Pike. Then I'm gonna take you on down and around where you will see Shoreline Village, and I already been to Shoreline Village. And you could go shopping over in this area over here. It's a turning signal, so I can turn. And then they had a big, large jazz festival over here once a year during the summertime, which they most likely won't be having it this year. Yeah. Yes, and you know they have the little little boats you can paddle around the lagoon. They call that the Rainbow Lagoon. And then over here is older. This is an older version of the beach, and that is called Shoreline Village. They call that little area Shoreline Village. And I already took you over there before, and I haven't even showed that video yet. So I might combine the videos. You know, I'm learning how to edit and to get creative. Over there is where all the people be doing the Long Beach Jazz Festival. Everything that's green be full of people, okay? Everything, and then the water, and then the stage. So I already got that part on tape over there, and it looks like we can't even go left here. So they're not even letting people go over there. But how did those cars get over there if you can't go over there? See what I'm saying? If you go over there, how did they get over there? How was that they got over there? So there go the Queen Mary again. Better look, closer look. Okay. Got people walking. Area is full of people today. Look at that tall man. Them tall people be coming out, Lord. Every now and then, when you get to board, it's sometimes, especially me, I get to come over here. Come over here and walk around He was fishing today. It almost looked like normal. Do it kind of look like the city is closed? Do it look like the city is closed? It looks a little bit like the city is closed, but not a whole lot. People over there in their boat. They can go sell. They ought to be able to go sell it. That's the one thing they ought to lift. They ought to be able to sell. Okay, you ain't sick. You ought to be able to take your boat out in the damn water and sell. It's because I swear to God, it don't seem like there's been this many boats in this docking area at one time ever in life. All these people must be really moving these boats when it wasn't locked down. I'd never seen that many boats. Even though during Christmas time the boats be decorated, they have little boat Christmas parades and stuff. And see where it say the Rainbow Lagoon over there? I'm gonna be able to, I think I'm gonna be able to put this in 3D on my computer and bring everything up a little closer. And I don't know if you'll be able to really hear me that good. The reason why I have extra mic. And then I think I ordered another case, because you know I have two cameras. I didn't buy two, but the way everything went, yeah, I end up with two. You know, and so I'll be able to record on two, so I need to take care of two cameras, and it takes a lot because I have to cover all the glass, the lenses, and everything on the camera with a protector, not so they won't get scratched, because one, you can't even replace one of the camera lenses, a protector. The lens, you can't replace it. If it crack, it's cracked. I think it's a done deal. But I also, you know, I also became subscribed, and when I subscribed, they say even if my camera breaks for any reason at all, I can actually get another camera. So that's wonderful. Okay, so now I got this little area before already. Everybody's gone, so I'm gonna go around towards Belmont Shores. It's getting darker, so you know, I don't know how well this is going to look. Ooh, I hear somebody moving. There you go, there you go, there you go. Woo! There, that's a Nissan. You know, I don't know why people be in a hurry. You see, they don't really go nowhere. Look at there. That's right, go around me. Go catch up with your friend. Your little toys. Here come another one. Yeah, these are people who they probably don't have to abide by the laws. Their fathers or something, or probably police officers or something like that. Okay, so this is like right a street above the ocean. Okay. And I can get some good shots out of this. You know, you can. I'm not even gonna go. I'm not there. Look over here. You can take pictures in the picture. So even though I'm video camera in places and things, I can actually find a good snapshot of a picture in the video and create a picture. So right now I'm just, you know, experimenting with my new camera. I can mount it. Right now I'm holding it in my hand, and you're not getting pulled over by the police, because you know you're not supposed to have a cell phone in your hand. They never said no camera, but I'm sure they're going to add that. But by then I will have everything so it can be mounted or in a suction cup. Yes. And I'm going to try to do 2 recordings at once as I have 2 cameras, okay? Now I take my grandkids over here to this park here. Look, they all been at the park. Look at them. They ain't social distance. Ain't nobody social distancing out here. This Long Beach. This is Belmont Shores. Okay? And this is the park I used to take my grandkids to. And this is the other park up here. And people ain't, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to go over here too, because this is a beautiful day, and we haven't had a beautiful day like this, and I don't know how long. Look at that. They holding hands. They like ain't no damn coronavirus out here. Yeah, well, she know about it. Not everybody know about the coronavirus. She got her skates on. Skates on. Shit. Oh, wait a minute. I don't want to go up in here. Oh, I don't remember that part. When did they do that? I need to go up in there. I don't care. I'm going up in there. Let me get over here so I can turn around. Yeah. I'm just going around this way to see what we can see. I like to go over in the other place though. Oh, is there too many people out here? They ain't telling about Long Beach, are they? They are not telling about Long Beach. Everybody up in the house, all the black people up in the house, because all they doing is showing films of black people dying of the coronavirus, and everybody else is outside having a ball.